The Bora PM4550T Portamate Speedhorse XT Sawhorse pair is a game-changer for any workshop or job site. With a range of features designed to enhance efficiency and versatility, these sawhorses make light work of heavy-duty projects. One standout feature is the 6-inch height adjustment capability, allowing users to customize the working height from 30 to 36 inches with ease. This intuitive slide and lock technology ensures that you can find the perfect height for your task, reducing strain and improving productivity. Moreover, the individual leg height adjustment means you can set up a stable workbench or cutting station even on uneven ground, ensuring a secure workspace no matter where you are. What truly sets the Bora Speedhorse XT apart is its lightning-fast setup and teardown. Thanks to the lever quick-release deploy technology, these sawhorses can be ready to use in just 1.6 seconds, making them 30 times faster than conventional sawhorses. This means less time spent on setup and more time focused on getting the job done. With a best-in-class capacity of 1,800 pounds per unit and a combined capacity of 3,600 pounds. For the pair, these sawhorses are built to handle even the heaviest loads. The 45-inch extra-long length and pre-drilled top provide maximum stability, ensuring that your work surface remains secure throughout your project. Additionally, the non-sequential leg folding feature simplifies teardown, allowing you to fold the legs up quickly and easily without worrying about the order in which you do so. In summary, the Bora PM4550T Portamate Speedhorse XT Sawhorse pair is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. Its combination of durability, versatility, and rapid setup make it an invaluable addition to any toolbox. Whether you're working on a construction site, in a workshop, or even indulging in some creative endeavors, these sawhorses are sure to exceed your expectations.